Morning class. Today we're going to learn about CBC words, and the specific words will be cat and hat. They are consonant vowel consonants, and you're going to be able to sound it out and change the first letter of each word to make new words. And we're going to do that. Start out by listening to a story by Dr. Seuss called Cat in the Hat. Has anyone ever heard of that book before? I want to hear about it. We're going to go to the carpet. Everybody meet me at the carpet. We're going to read this story. And while we read the story, I'm going to watch it with you while someone else reads it first so I can show you what we're going to do. As we hear the story and we hear the words cat, we're going to raise our right hand. We hear the word hat, we're going to raise a hand. So as you listen, we're going to raise hands when we hear cat or hat. And if you mess up the hands, it's just fine. We're going to identify those words in the book, and then we are going to go to our stations. We have two stations set up. One has Play-Doh for you to shape the C-A-T and then make shapes of different letters to replace that first letter. And we're also going to go to the station where there's whiteboards, markers, and erasers so you can write the words and the letters and change them around to make new words. Now, when the book is over, I will divide the class in half, and we'll go there and we will spend about 3 to 5 minutes in each station, and then the bell will ring and we'll switch each group so you both have a chance to do both stations. Then we will come to the front of the room and grab a hat, a paper plate that has a pattern on it for you to cut out. You'll take a hat and a pair of scissors back to your desk, and you will cut out on the black line so that you can make a hat for yourself like Cat in the Hat, and then you'll use the red marker to decorate it however you want. If you want it to look like his, if you want to make up your own idea, either way is fine. I just want you to write words on your hat, like cat or hat or bat or sad or mat, any of those words after we've done these experiments to write those words on your hat so that I can see what you know. If you have any questions, just ask me, but I am going to start the story, and we'll just listen to it for a minute so I can show you how we're going to do it. Here we go.
The Cat in the Hat by Dr. Seuss. The sun did not shine. It was too wet to play. So we sat in the house all day. Saw him step in on the mat. We looked, and we saw him, the cat in the hat. And he said to us, "Why do you sit there like that? I know it is wet, and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny." "I know some good games we can play," said the cat. "I know some new tricks," said the cat in the hat. "A lot of good tricks. I will show them to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do." Then Sally and I did.
Okay, so as I read the book, I want you to do that. Raise your hand if you hear cat or hat, and then I raised my hand when they said mat. Would you do that? That would be okay if you raise your hand when it says mat, because it is a lot like cat and hat. So that's what we'll do, and then when we're all done with our stations, we're going to get our hats and we're going to work on them, decorate them. You can be creative. You can do it the way he did it. And then we'll come back to the carpet. We'll look them over and discuss them. And we'll have some kids come up to the whiteboard and change the first letter out of the word hat and replace it with the new word and say it for us all, and so we can learn new words. We'll take turns doing that, and then we will post our hats on the wall. Everyone can see them. And I know you might want to take them home right now, but we'll do that for just 1 week. And then after a week of looking at them on the wall and seeing how great everybody did, then you can take them home and show your parents. So here we go.